ones at home. In this video, I will be doing today's math lesson. We are beginning lesson 4-5, which is on page 133. And we are going to be talking about checking our subtraction by adding. So we now know that addition and subtraction are related. We know that we can use fact families to help us solve addition and subtraction equations. And now we're going to look at how we can use addition, part, whole, to help us figure out the missing part in a subtraction problem. So on page 133, if you're following along, whether you're here in the classroom or you're sitting at home, it says Jamel picks 9 peaches. I want all of you to take your pencil right now and circle 9 peaches. Jamel picks 9 peaches. He gives 5 peaches away. Circle 5 peaches away. And then the question says, how many peaches does Jamal have now, or does he have left? So we underline the question. So the subtraction we're trying to figure out is, if he had 9 peaches and he gave away 5 peaches, how many peaches are left? We're trying to solve for this missing number. Well, if we think about part, whole, and we create our part, whole box here, and we know that altogether he had 9, so our whole is 9. And we put this first part, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in that box. Then this missing part, or this missing piece, will tell us the difference, or the answer, to our subtraction problem. So we have 5. Let's keep counting until we get to 9, and we'll put them in the other part, okay? So watch what I do, and then you can do it. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I have 9 altogether. Make sure you put those in your box. And Emma, how many did I add into this box? 4. So my two parts are 5 and 4. So if 5 plus 4 equals 9, then 9 take away 5 must equal 4. Do you see how I was able to use the addition to solve for the subtraction? This is very similar to what we were doing with the number line last week, where we were looking at the related facts. Now we're using our addition to help us solve subtraction. So Jamel has 4 peaches left. If you go down to the practice area at the bottom of page 133, the first one they kind of worked out for us, but let's look at it and see how they did it. So they were trying to solve 6 take away 2. So to do that, they said, well, I know that 4 plus 2 equals 6, so 6 take away 2 must equal 4. Now let's look at 8 take away 4. God bless you. Okay? So I'm trying to figure out 8 take away 4. So if I drew my part, whole box here, my whole is this 8. So put your 8 in the top. And I know one of my parts is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I don't know this other part. So if I already have 4 in this box, let's keep counting until we get to 8 and figure out how many we need in the second box, or the second part. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Connor, how many did I add in that second box? 4. So if 4 plus 4 equals 8, then 8 take away 4 would leave me with, how many, Brooklyn? 8 take away 4 would leave me with 4. Good job. So I know that 8 take away 4 is 4 because 4 plus 4 is 8. All right, go ahead now, turn the page. We're going to look at the top of the other side. So it says subtract, then check your answer and match the related addition and subtraction facts. So let's go down the row here and do the subtraction, and then we'll try to match it over here to find the related fact, okay? So the first one they did for us, they said 10 take away 3 is 7, and they connected it here. And the reason why 10 take away 3 is 7 is because 7 plus 3 equals 10. So you can fill that one in. Alright, now let's take a look at number 4. We have 8 minus 5, or 8 take away 5. So if we think about our part whole, and I'll draw the box here for you. You don't have to draw the box, you can just watch. My whole is 8, and one of my parts is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to keep going until I get to 8. God bless you. So I have 5, 6, 7, 8. So Mateo, how many did I add in this box to get me to 8? 3? Connor? 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3. So 8 take away 5 equals 3. And that works because 3 plus 5 equals 8. So fill in those numbers and then connect these two equations. Alright, our next one says 10 take away 9. So if I draw my part whole box, and you don't have to draw this right now, you can watch. If you were taking a test and you wanted to draw it, you absolutely could. And if you want to draw it, you may, but if it's easier for you just to watch, that's fine. So our whole, or our total, is 10, so I'll put my 10 in the top. And one of my parts is 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Isaac, how many do I need to put in this box now to get 10? I have 9. How many do I need here?
1.
1 more. So if 9 plus 1 is 10, then 10 take away 9 must be 1. So over here, 1 plus 9 equals 10, and we can connect that with 10 minus 9 equals 1. Alright, let's take a look at number 6 now. We have 9 take away 6. So let's think about what the addition would be. 9 is my whole, that's my total. And I'm taking away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what would this other part be if I was counting up to 9? Well, I have 6 already, so let's keep going. 7, 8, 9. How many did I add, Victoria? I had 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I kept going. 7, 8, 9. So how many is that, Victoria? Right here. How many is this? 3. There you go. So 9 take away 6 leaves me with 3. And that works because 3 plus 6 equals 9. And you can connect those ones. Alright, let's look at the problem solving. It says Max sees 10 frogs. Everybody circle in your book 10 frogs. It says some frogs are large. Circle some frogs are large. And it says 4 frogs are small. 4 frogs are small. Alright, so now the question asks, how many large frogs does Max see? So let's talk about what we know. Here's my part whole box because it helps us visualize the problem. Okay? How many frogs does he see all together, Johnny? Right here.
10.
Right here, Johnny. How many does he see? 10. So we'll put 10 in the top. That's the total. That's all the frogs. There are 10. Now we don't know how many of them are large. It says he sees some large, but it doesn't tell us how many. But he sees 4 small. So let's put our 4 small in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the small frogs. Now this part will tell us how many large frogs there are. So So let's keep counting until we get to 10. Landon, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Serafina, how many did I draw? 6. So if 4 plus 6 equals 10, then 10 take away 4 must equal what? Lily?
10.
If 4 plus 6 is 10, then 10 take away 4 must equal what, Lily? 6. So how many large frogs does Max see? 6 large frogs. Alright, down at the right about it, it says Travis has 9 grapes for a snack. Circle 9 grapes for a snack. He eats 3 grapes. Avery says Travis has 5 grapes left. Is Avery right? Well, let's see. We're trying to figure out, does 9 grapes take away 3 grapes equal 5? Let's figure it out by adding. Here's my part whole addition box. Altogether there were 9 and he ate 1, 2, 3. So the other part will go here. We've already got 3, so let's count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many did I draw, Austin? 6. So my numbers are 3 plus 6 equals 9. But he said there's 5 left. Was he correct?
No.
No, because 9 minus 3 equals 6, not 5. So Avery was wrong.
Yay.
Sorry, Avery. You
Sorry,
were
Avery.
All right. Now we're going to look at the top of the next page. If we go down to where it says more practice, it says subtract. Use the related addition fact to check your answer. So 10 take away 4. I need to figure out 4 plus what number would give me 10. So I already have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's keep counting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Connor, what number plus 4 would give me 10?
Yours has 2 and mine has 1.
Yeah,
Square.
same as mine.
Same as mine.
Your book is different than mine?
Yeah. One.
What do you mean?
We only have one box.
Here, I'll show you.
In the first one.
Y'all have
And we have two ones. And we have two ones.
They have his berries.
Get out of town. Your book is different than my book?
Yeah.
Why in the world would your book be different than my book?
I don't know.
Alright, I believe it. I believe it. I just don't know why. So, don't look at your book for a minute. Just look at the board. Sorry about that.
I just did it.
Alright, so, Austin, still answer my question. 4 plus what number would give me 10?
4.
4 plus 4 would give me 8. Right here. How many are there?
6.
6. So if 4 plus 6 is 10, then 10 take away 4 must be 6. I don't know. They're saying my book is different. So
I just told my own thoughts.
here's what we'll do. You go ahead right now, since our books are different. Work through 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on your page.
Well, 2 is the same.
And then we'll come back and check it in just a minute. So go ahead, friends, and work through them, and we'll come back and check it in just a minute.